Hi, this is Teacher Oscar. If your students or children are learning how to add in preschool, this video was made for them. Let's use the amazing math curriculum PR1ME Mathematics New Edition and Singapore's Math, so feel comfortable and let's learn. Perhaps you are wondering how to add numbers up to 20. Let's use 10 frames included in the new virtual manipulatives and the put together strategy. Let's do this addition. 7 plus 5. Now let's represent 7, moving 7 yellow counters on the first 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now let's move 5 red counters on the second 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The purpose is to complete 10 counters on the first 10 frame. So we need to move 3 counters from the second 10 frame to the first one. 1, 2, and 3. So we use number bonds to see 5 as 3 and 2. So 7 plus 5 is 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Then we add 2 to 10 and the answer is 12. Now 10 and 2 is 12. Let's try this one. 8 plus 3. So let's move 8 yellow counters on the first 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 3 red counters on the second 10 frame. 1, 2, and 3. We have to move 2 red counters from the second 10 frame to the first one. So 1 and 2. 10 and 1 is 11. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 10 plus 1, and the answer is 11. Now you are able to solve additions with whole numbers up to 20 using the same strategy. Bye bye, thank you.